In the realm of herbal medicine, the passage of time holds a profound significance. From the waxing and waning of the moon to the rhythms of the days of the week, the natural cycles that govern our world also influence the efficacy and potency of herbal remedies. In this exploration, we delve into the interconnectedness of time and herbal medicine, uncovering the wisdom of lunar phases, planetary influences, and the magic of timing and healing practices. The lunar cycle and herbal remedies. The moon, with its ethereal glow and ever-changing phases, has captivated humanity for millennia. In herbalism, the lunar cycle is revered as a guiding force, influencing the potency of herbal preparations and the timing of herbal rituals. As the moon waxes and wanes, so too do the energies of the herbs that grace our gardens and apothecaries. During the waxing moon, herbs are believed to be imbued with vitality and growth, making it an auspicious time for harvesting plants and preparing herbal remedies intended to promote expansion and abundance. Conversely, the waning moon is associated with release and purification, ideal for crafting remedies designed to cleanse the body and spirit of toxins and negative energies. Days of the week and planetary influences. In herbal traditions steeped in planetary wisdom, each day of the week is governed by a celestial body whose energies infuse the earth with their unique vibrational frequencies. From the fiery vigor of Mars to the nurturing embrace of Venus, the planetary rulership of each day offers insights into the optimal timing for herbal practices. Monday, moon. Monday is governed by the moon, the celestial body associated with emotions, intuition, and nurturing energies. It is a time for connecting with our inner selves, exploring our subconscious, and nurturing our emotional well-being. Herbal practices on Mondays often focus on emotional healing, intuition development, and connecting with the rhythms of nature. Tuesday, Mars. Tuesday is ruled by Mars, the planet of action, courage, and strength. It is a day associated with vitality, assertiveness, and passion. Herbal practices on Tuesdays may involve energizing herbs for physical strength and endurance, and remedies for courage and protection. Wednesday, Mercury. Wednesday is under the influence of Mercury, the planet of communication, intellect, and adaptability. It is a day for mental clarity, communication, and learning. Herbal practices on Wednesdays may include herbs for mental focus, memory enhancement, and promoting clear communication. Thursday, Jupiter. Thursday is governed by Jupiter, the planet of expansion, abundance, and wisdom. It is associated with growth, optimism, and generosity. Herbal practices on Thursdays may involve herbs for prosperity, spiritual growth, and expanding consciousness. Friday, Venus. Friday is ruled by Venus, the planet of love, beauty, and harmony. It is a day for nurturing relationships, indulging in pleasure, and appreciating the beauty of the world. Herbal practices on Fridays may include herbs for love, sensuality, and enhancing personal beauty. Saturday, Saturn. Saturday is associated with Saturn, the planet of discipline, structure, and perseverance. It is a day for introspection, discipline, and laying foundations for the future. Herbal practices on Saturdays may involve herbs for grounding, protection, and spiritual purification. Sunday, Sun. Sunday is governed by the sun, the source of light, vitality, and life force. It is a day for celebration, vitality, and self-expression. Herbal practices on Sundays may include herbs for vitality, success, and creative expression. The influence of time of day. Beyond the cosmic dance of the celestial bodies, the passage of time within a single day also holds significance in herbal medicine. The energetics of different times of day, from the dew-kissed dawn to the velvety embrace of nightfall, shape the way herbs interact with our bodies and spirits. In the early morning hours, when the world awakens with the first blush of dawn, herbal remedies are said to resonate with the energy of renewal and vitality, making it an optimal time for ingesting tonic herbs and elixirs to invigorate the body and mind. As the day unfolds and the sun reaches its zenith, the fiery energy of midday calls for herbs with warming and stimulating properties, such as ginger and cayenne, to fuel our ambitions and ignite our passions. Practical tips and applications. As we embrace the dance of time and herbal medicine, we are invited to weave intention and mindfulness into our healing practices. Whether harvesting herbs under the light of the full moon or crafting herbal talismans on a Sunday afternoon, Each moment offers an opportunity to align with the natural rhythms of the Earth and cosmos. Practical applications of lunar and planetary influences in herbal medicine abound, from creating herbal tinctures and teas attuned to specific lunar phases, to performing rituals and ceremonies in harmony with the planetary rulership of the day. By attuning ourselves to the subtle shifts in energy and consciousness, we deepen our connection to the healing magic of the natural world. In the tapestry of time, herbal medicine emerges as a sacred thread, weaving together the wisdom of the ages with the rhythms of the universe. As we honor the cycles of the moon, the days of the week, and the moments that mark the passage of time, we embrace the interconnectedness of all life and affirm our role as stewards of the earth and guardians of herbal wisdom. May our journey through the realms of time and herbal medicine inspire us to cultivate reverence for the natural world and gratitude for the healing gifts it bestows upon us.